In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in Canva. If you need to hand off a finished design, move control to another team member, or update who manages a shared project, Canva makes that possible through its sharing and permission settings. The important thing is to do it in its right order so the transfer goes smoothly and the new person gets the proper access. Start by opening Canva in your browser and going to your home dashboard. Once you're there, look at the top left area and check your profile or team selection menu. This is important because you need to be inside the correct Canva team or workspace where the design or folder is stored. If you're in the wrong team, you may not see the right file or the ownership options you need. Next, find the design or project you want to transfer. Hover over the file thumbnail and click the three-dot menu, or open the file and click Share at the top. Before ownership can be transferred, the recipient must already be added to that file or workspace. In the Add People, Groups, or Teams field, enter the recipient's account, email, and add them. Make sure you're inviting the correct account since the transfer will be tied to that profile. After that, look at the permission setting next to the person you just added. In many cases, Canva will set this to view only or commenting access by default. Open the permissions dropdown and change it to Can Edit. Then send the invite if needed. This step matters because ownership transfer usually requires the other person to already have editing rights. Once they've been added as an editor, go back into the Share panel. In the list of people with access, find that person's name and open the permissions or status dropdown beside it. This is where the advanced access options appear. From that menu, select Transfer Ownership, or in some accounts, Make Owner. Canva will then show a confirmation message to make sure you really want to complete the transfer. Review the prompt carefully, then click the confirmation button, which may say send invitation or change owner, depending on your setup. After the transfer is complete, the new owner will take over control of that design, and your role will usually change to editor. As a final check, take a quick look at the file and sharing settings to make sure everything updated correctly. Then close the panel and let Canva save the changes, and that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.